open. That's it. Reaching new heights. Had to take the ladder up a little taller. There's always a chain release that's up at the top of those things. At least every one that I've encountered. That's looking pretty gnarly in there. So much for not doing any further damage. Drop the drill again. This time way higher. Still works. The top cover is only held down with one screw. That almost fell off, took the motor and broke everything with it. I think I could put a couple more screws in it, guys. I got it back in the track. I'm gonna try to lower it down and slide these pieces out the side and straighten them up and put them back together. I got those guys out. Note to self, next time I have to fix a gate, pull the fixed ones out first and then drop the other ones. And definitely having two hands would have been helpful.